Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to witness the future of sports cars? I'm talking about a car that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less time than it takes to sneeze. A car that has a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, a car that emits zero tailpipe emissions, and can travel over 600 miles on a single charge. Yes, I'm talking about the Tesla Roadster. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into this electric supercar, exploring its mind-blowing performance, revolutionary battery technology, and futuristic design. We'll also touch on its environmental impact and its place in the future of electric sports cars. So buckle up and get ready for an electrifying ride. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details of this electric beast, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The original Tesla Roadster, released back in 2008, was the first ever production car to use lithium-ion battery cells. And guess what? It was also the first all-electric sports car. Talk about setting the bar high. Based on a Lotus Elise chassis, the first Roadster had a range of around 245 miles, which might not seem like much now, but back then, it was a game changer. After the success of the Model S, Model X, and Model 3, Tesla decided it was time to revisit its sports car roots, unveiling the new Roadster concept in 2017. And as you'll see, it's a real showstopper. Now, let's talk about the Roadster's jaw-dropping design. This sleek machine boasts a streamlined silhouette that not only turns heads, but also minimizes air resistance. Its aerodynamic shape significantly reduces drag, making it a true speed demon. The design team didn't just focus on looks. They incorporated functional elements like an active rear spoiler that adjusts automatically based on speed, optimizing downforce and stability. And let's not forget those sexy butterfly doors. They not only look futuristic, but they also save space when parked. This means you won't have to worry about dinging your precious Roadster when squeezing into tight spots. Your neighbors will definitely be jealous, but hey, maybe they'll be inspired to go electric too. With its aggressive stance, sculpted lines, and LED headlights that seem to pierce through the darkness, the Tesla Roadster has a commanding presence that'll make even the most skeptical patrolhead reconsider their stance on electric cars. Resistance is futile, my friends. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the Tesla Roadster's performance is nothing short of mind-blowing. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.9 seconds, it's faster than a cheetah chasing its prey. I mean, seriously, that's faster than most of us can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And if that's not enough to impress you, how about a top speed of over 250 miles per hour? This all-electric sports car can give some of the most powerful gas guzzlers a run for their money. The Roadster's quarter-mile time places it firmly in the realm of hypercars. With its 3 electric motors, 1 front and 2 rear, and all-wheel drive, the Roadster can conquer curves and straightaways with equal aplomb. Its instant torque ensures that it's always ready to pounce, leaving traditional combustion engine cars eating its dust. Who said electric cars were slow? You might be wondering how the Roadster achieves such an insane performance. Well, the secret lies in its revolutionary battery technology. Tesla has developed a high-capacity 200 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which not only provides jaw-dropping acceleration, but also an impressive 620-mile range on a single charge. That's enough to travel from New York City to Detroit without stopping to recharge. Road trip, anyone? This cutting-edge battery pack is not only about range and performance, it also features advanced thermal management to keep the cells cool even during intense track sessions or extreme temperatures. Tesla's expertise in battery technology allows them to extract the maximum power from each cell while maintaining safety and longevity. It's like they've unlocked the secret to the electric fountain of youth. And when it's time to recharge, the Tesla Supercharger network has you covered. With thousands of charging stations worldwide, you can top off your Roadster's battery quickly and easily. So you can say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to the open road. This cutting-edge battery pack is not only about range and performance, it also features advanced thermal management to keep the cells cool even during intense track sessions or extreme temperatures. It's like they've unlocked the secret to the electric fountain of youth. And when it's time to recharge, The Tesla supercharger network has you covered. The Tesla Roadster doesn't just impress with its performance and design, the interior is a technological marvel as well. A minimalistic yet luxurious cabin features a massive touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to climate control. The touchscreen is intuitive and user-friendly, and its responsiveness is lightning fast, making it a breeze to operate while you're on the move. The Roadster's seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, whether you're tearing up the track or cruising on the open road. And with the innovative glass roof, you'll feel like you're driving a convertible even when the top is up. The cabin is surprisingly spacious, and its low-slung seating position gives you a feeling of being one with the car. It's like you're driving a spaceship instead of a car. But what's a Tesla without its autopilot features? The Roadster is no exception, with advanced autonomous driving capabilities that make driving safer and more enjoyable. With its full self-driving capability, the Roadster can navigate on its own, making lane changes, overtaking other cars, and even parking itself. And with Tesla's over-the-air software updates, you can be sure that your Roadster will always have the latest features and improvements. It's like your car is getting smarter and more capable every day. Alright, let's talk about numbers. The Tesla Roadster starts at around $200,000 for the base model, with the Founder Series going for a cool $250,000. Yes, it's a pretty penny. But can you really put a price on the future of electric sports cars? The Roadster's price tag is in line with other high-end supercars. But unlike those gas-guzzling beasts, the Roadster has zero tailpipe emissions and offers incredible performance and technology. As for availability, Tesla initially planned to begin production in 2020, but due to various delays, we're still waiting for an updated timeline. Good things come to those who wait, right? But when the Roadster does finally hit the streets, it's sure to turn heads and make a statement about the future of sustainable transportation. For those who are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the Tesla Roadster, reservations are still being accepted with a $50,000 deposit. So if you want to be one of the lucky few to own this electric supercar, you better act fast. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the envy of your neighborhood or the star of your local car show. Now, let's touch on one of the most important aspects of the Tesla Roadster, its environmental impact. As an all-electric vehicle, the Roadster emits zero tailpipe emissions, which means it's helping to combat climate change and reduce air pollution. This is a huge step forward in the automotive industry and will play a significant role in reducing our carbon footprint. But Tesla's commitment to sustainability goes beyond just zero emissions. The company is also focused on reducing its environmental impact throughout the entire production process. For example, Tesla uses renewable energy to power its factories, and it's committed to reducing waste and recycling materials. Even the Roadster's vegan leather interior is an eco-friendly choice, minimizing the use of animal products. By choosing the Tesla Roadster, you're not just investing in a high-performance sports car, you're also making a statement about your commitment to sustainability and the environment. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You can have an incredible driving experience while also reducing your impact on the planet. Of course, the Tesla Roadster isn't without its competition. Other automakers, like Porsche with their Taycan and Rimac with their C2, are also pushing the boundaries of electric sports cars. But the Roadster remains a pioneer in this space, setting the stage for an electrifying future. As battery technology and charging infrastructure continue to improve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking electric sports cars hitting the streets. And with the rise of sustainable transportation and the shift away from fossil fuels, electric sports cars are poised to become the future of performance vehicles. The Tesla Roadster is leading the charge in this transition, and its incredible performance, innovative technology, and sustainability features make it a true game changer. As more people realize the potential of electric cars, we can expect to see even more manufacturers entering the electric sports car space. Who knows? Maybe we'll see an electric Lamborghini or Ferrari in the future. But for now, the Tesla Roadster remains the undisputed king of electric sports cars. And we can't wait to see what the future holds for this incredible vehicle. And there you have it, the incredible Tesla Roadster. We hope you enjoy this electrifying journey into the future of sports cars. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the Tesla Roadster. We'd love to hear from you. Whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or just getting into the world of electric cars, the Roadster is a true marvel of automotive engineering. With its revolutionary battery technology, mind-blowing performance, and sleek design, it's a car that truly stands out from the crowd. So if you're ready to experience the future of sports cars, hop on board the Tesla Roadster and buckle up for the ride of your life. And we'll see you in the next one.